Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you class 6 English. Now as we all know that this is our PA2 syllabus is going on. Now PA2 syllabus is chapter 8, chapter 9, chapter 10 and 2 poem. And we all know that I had completed there are 2 chapters and 1 poem. Now in this unit, this is the new unit. The unit is in the Indian Strait, right? Or Indian Strait. Now we all know that Indian Strait, it means what? Now previous chapter I gave you the information about the teamwork member, the Bawalas of Mumbai, the how are they work, how they identify, all right, how are they identify their lunch box and tiffin box, their working system, all these things I taught you in the previous chapter. Now in this chapter, what is the thing? That in this chapter we all know that it means we all know that there are in ancient time and in still in nowadays in present era in some of the rural area, right? There are some rituals, some functions is working, like street drama, then story of the puppetry, right? Then Bhavai also, then Rama Mandal also, and Rama Mandal also we know that in Morbi also some of the people who are they are performing the it means they celebrate and they organize the Rama Mandal in our district also, right? So what is this? Now we all know that in ancient time there are not lots of entertaining things like a television, CD player, home theater, VCR, all this thing. In ancient time there are nothing this thing. So what? How they understood, how they realized, how they visualized the thing. So they perform drama, even they perform some poetic drama also. And the people realize, okay, the thing is happened in that way. Right? Suppose if we talk about drama, Ramayana. So what is in the Ramayana? So we all know that Ramayana, the king of the Dasarath, who was a three queen, he had a 4 son. Ram was the eldest son, right? He went to the forest with his wife and younger brother Lakshmana. Ravana came and kidnapped Ram's wife Sita. Then Ram met Hanuman and all the Vanar Sena. Then they built one bridge on the ocean, reached to the Lanka. He fought with the Ravan and he killed the Ravan. Now see this thing. But they perform with the proper visualization, costumes and the dialogue delivery, all those things that in the drama they have to perform. The villagers who make their characters. Even we all know that in Delhi, Ram Leela, right? In Dashera, now recently the Dashera will come. So in Dashera, Ram Leela is performed. Ram Leela is organizing, and there are some characters who will perform Ramayan's characters, right? So these are the different things. Now street drama, Rama Mandal, then Bhavai, then puppetry show. These are the different things that people entertain. Here in this chapter, the same thing, puppetry in India. Now we have a question, sir. What do you mean by the puppetry? Now puppetry means what? So puppetry it means what? There are puppets who perform, right? With the help of the puppets, they narrate the story and explain the incident. Here somewhere what? Now puppetry is different ways. Somewhere the person you can visualize, okay, here there is a puppetry, the person who wears the threads on their finger, and with the help of the fingers they have to perform the act of the puppets. Some somewhere what, there is a one half curtain, person hide himself behind the curtain, and then after he, with the help of the fingers, he visualize the actions and he visualize the incident, that what is in that incident. Now in Rajasthan, still in Rajasthan, in Bihar, some of the rural area, we still show this puppetry. Nowadays it is less, but in ancient time there are lots of person who perform, who act on the puppets, right? But in this chapter you will learn, it means you will learn that what is exactly puppetry, which are the things, which are the stories we have to narrate with the help of the puppets, right? Even in from which area the puppets are performed very nicely, what we call the puppets in the puppetry shows in that area, then how they perform, with types of the puppetries, you will learn in this chapter. This thing I will teach you later, but before these things I will give you the objectives of this lesson. Now first of all, to look for information beyond the text. Whatever the information you will learn from the text, you should also identify the more information beyond the text. Beyond the text means not only focus on your not only focus on textual information. You should also identify, you should also gather the information about that puppet show. Suppose if we talk about the red puppet. Now red puppet means what? Now the person who wearing the gloves on their hands and they have to talking. Now this thing, right? And we all know that some of the schools and in our exhibitions also, right? Previous years exhibition is had in our school. That what happened when there is one puppetry show in one our English theatre. So you might be know about that what is exactly the puppetry show, and you should collect the information beyond the text. Second, to comprehend the research-based learning. Now, this is not only the information, but it is the research. Now, you should research about that comprehension. Okay, here there is the information. Okay, right. Now you have to find out the more information, then note down in your notebook. Now, this information you should taking with you only. You should not submit to us. If you want to submit to us, we can accept your information, we can collect your information. Then to know that a story can be used as a framework to convey knowledge. Another thing that in puppetry show you should know about the story. If you want to present the story of Ramayana, so you should know the characters of Ramayana. What is exactly in Ramayana? What happened if you want to presenting the story of Ram Ravan Yuddh, Ram Ravan's war. So you should know, right, which are the weapons, how the Ram killed Ravan, how the Ravan is more powerful, which are the weapons Ravan used against Ram, and how Ram used the weapons against Ravana, right? If you want to presenting the story of Mahabharata, right? So story of Mahabharata, suppose if you want to talk about Chakravyuh, so how the Abhimanyu fought with the Kauravas, right? If you want to talk about the Krishna Lila, so you present how the Krishna Lila, right? The death of Putna, birth of Lord Krishna, death of Kansa, right? So different things if you presenting into the story, but you should know the story of that characters. So if you know the characters, the story, if you know the story properly, so you can presenting your puppets is very nicely. Puppetry in through you can present the story with the help of the puppet very nicely, and the audience also understand this thing very properly. So students, in this lesson I will just give you this information. Suppose we know that in UP side, Vrindavan and Mathura, they are presenting this Krishna Lila, right? They are presenting Krishna Lila. Now in Krishna Lila, they create the total atmosphere like a Vrindavana. Suppose then how the, what we can say is that demons arrive, want to kill Krishna, and how Krishna fought against with the demons. All these things they presenting very properly. so the audience understand easily, and they try, and with that it means that performers catch their attention, right? And audience also take interest in that drama. Here in puppetry, you can also see that somewhere shadow puppetry, somewhere they have to wear the clothes, somewhere they have to use stick, somewhere they have to use thread. So different kinds of the different puppets they have to use in this lesson, and I will also teach you now which area, which types of puppets they have to use. So students, here I completed my first part. Thank you.